Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML entities. In HTML, we use entities to display reserved character. For example, if we want to display copyright symbol in HTML, then we cannot directly use copyright symbol in HTML. Instead, we need to use copyright symbol corresponding entity. Entity is a string that starts with ampersand and ends with semicolon. For example, copyright symbol corresponding entity is ampersand copy semicolon. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, then Save. File name entities.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol, then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title HTML entities. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We do not need to remember a particular symbol's corresponding entity. Instead, we could Google it. For example, now we require ampersand symbol corresponding entity, and as you could see, it is ampersand amp semicolon. In the HTML file, this is ampersand, then ampersand symbol corresponding entity. Similarly, this is copyright symbol, then copyright symbol corresponding entity, ampersand copy semicolon. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.